Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Lympid token. Ticker symbol is LYP. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting January 24th on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Lympid token, talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. You can see their web page is linked right there, Lympid.io. Once you go over to the web page, you can find token information. You can find a white paper, their app. You can launch their web app. There's frequently asked questions. They have a TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Telegram, and their Twitter there. They even have a little AI chat box in case you have any questions or get stuck doing something on the webpage. You can see that they have a huge Twitter following there, 60,400 Twitter followers at Lympid_official on Twitter there. And yeah, so this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing. It says starting January 24th at 12 p.m. UTC time, the Lympid token will be listed on Gate or Gate.io. So basically all you'd have to do to get this token is simply download Gate from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a open an account on your PC at Gate.io. Then you would go into the trade section and search LYP when this token gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. You'd have to fund your account with USDT and then buy it with USDT. And it also says that this token will be listed on the 24th as well on MEXC Global. So if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there, and you could use that if you like. You just have to go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, and follow the same steps. Fund your account with USDT and go into the trade section and search LYP. It is that easy. So the LYP token is powering real world use. And so they have, this token is on the base network, it says. Total supply is 100 million tokens. They're backed by 1inch, Chainlink, Build, Anchorage Digital, Polka Starter, GBV, etc. Tons of partners there. So they had public sales on Pools, Finance, Decubate, Polka Starter, and Chain GPT. So it says, meet Lympid. Get to know Lympid and collect points that will grant you the first LYP points. Share your Lympid experience and score extra points. And there's daily missions. It says, keep tuned for special missions that will appear along the way. Don't miss the chance to earn even more points. Stay tuned for special missions that appear along the way. And you could stake to earn. So they have, once you get the tokens here, you could, there's different tiers, silver, gold, platinum, and more coming soon, where you could basically stake your tokens. There's an annual percentage yield. There's a 30-day boost, and it shows you how much you could earn. So what is a Lympid? Well, Lympid is a platform that allows you to invest in fractions of alternative assets like horses, luxury handbags, watches, wines, etc. We make it easy for investors to diversify their portfolios with high potential, tangible assets traditionally reserved for the wealthy by using fractional ownership. How can I own a fraction of an asset? On the Lympid platform, you can own a fraction of an asset through a process called fractional ownership. This issuer of the asset, it says, in the case of Lympid, they tokenize the asset, meaning it's converted into digital tokens representing ownership shares. And at Lympid, owning a fraction of alternative assets is simple and accessible. Instead of purchasing an entire asset, you can buy the shares or fractions through our platform and become a co-owner. And this allows you to invest in high-value assets with smaller financial commitment. So they have the Tier 1 for collectors, exclusive digital badge showing your tier status, access to private community channels for discussions and collectibles, and early notifications about upcoming raffles and rewards. Then there's Tier 2 benefits, all benefits from the collectors tier, but also a unique digital badge for the curators tier status, exclusive access to webinars and virtual events with experts in collectibles, priority access to limited edition rewards, and then they have the top tier, Tier 3, the connoisseurs tier. All benefits of the other tiers, a prestigious digital badge showing the connoisseurs status, invitation to exclusive in-person events and networking opportunities, and increased chances in raffles for high-value prizes. Also, early access to initial RWA sales. So you can get early access to the RWA sales, be the first to invest in tokenized racehorses, fine art, luxury bags, and more. Early access ensures you can seize high-demand opportunities before they are open to the public. Priority perks and unparalleled investment advantages. So it says hold LYP and gain access to social investment. Hold LYP tokens and unlock access to social investment features, transforming how you connect and invest. Collaborate with like-minded collectors through private groups, share insights, and co-invest in tokenized assets like art, wine, horses, and more. These features promote transparency, shared goals, and stronger investment communities. By staking, you gain early exclusive tools to track your group performance, join curated discussions, and build meaningful networks. So on the web page, you can find a white paper. Click on that. It'll take you over to a 25 or 24-page doc send, and you can review all the info there. So check it all out, Lympid.io, and you can find this token newly listed on Gate and MEXC Global starting on the 24th. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.